For decades, this man was Wall Street royalty, a former chairman of a major stock exchange, the investor everyone trusted, even other financial experts. His clients believed he was quietly managing $65 billion and delivering steady profits year after year, no matter what the market did. There was just one detail he never mentioned. He wasn't investing the money at all, none of it. This is the biggest Ponzi scheme in history, and how it ran in plain sight for 30 years. Bernie Madoff wasn't some shady outsider. He helped build a modern stock market and once chaired the NASDAQ exchange. That reputation was his weapon. When Bernie Madoff offered to manage your money, you felt lucky to be let in. Charities, celebrities, banks, and retirees handed him their savings. And the results were beautiful. Madoff reported smooth, steady profits, around 10% a year, almost every single year, in good markets and crashes alike. That consistency should have been a red flag. Real markets go up and down. Madoff's numbers never did. But the money kept flowing in, so few people asked how. Here's how the lie worked. Madoff wasn't really investing the money. He simply took new investors' cash and used it to pay profits to older investors. As long as more money came in than went out, the illusion held perfectly. The statements looked real, the profits looked real. It was all fake. On paper, he was managing $65 billion. In reality, the investments didn't exist. A Ponzi scheme has one fatal weakness. It needs new money forever. And in 2008, the global financial crisis hit. Panicked investors tried to withdraw billions all at once. Madoff couldn't pay because the money was gone. The scheme that had survived 30 years collapsed in weeks. Madoff confessed to his own sons, who turned him in. In 2009, Bernie Madoff was sentenced to 150 years in prison. He died behind bars. Thousands of families lost their life savings. Some lost everything. The damage rippled for years. Madoff's greatest trick wasn't financial. It was psychological. People trusted the reputation so completely that almost nobody checked the math for decades. $65 billion on paper, built on nothing but trust and new money, the biggest Ponzi scheme the world has ever seen. But individuals aren't the only ones who pull off massive frauds. Next, how an entire energy giant, once one of America's most admired companies, turned out to be one of the biggest corporate lies in history.